Friday. I'm Janna. I'm the dietitian here at the Stram Center. Thank you for taking this journey with us through making all kinds of different recipes, utilizing seasonal produce, and trying some new cooking skills, hopefully simple as possible. So today we're going to make a very simple frozen treat. This recipe uses blueberries, so whether you've gone blueberry picking and popped them in the freezer, or you pick up a nice big bag of frozen blueberries from the supermarket, you can use yogurt, any kind that you like, whether it's dairy or dairy-free, and just 1 or 2 chunks of ice. That's all you need. So there's so many benefits to this delicious treat. It is rich in antioxidants and in fiber.